Miss Millennial Philippines 2019 is brought to you by Potency, Mega Sound Smart Pro Videoke, Philippine Airlines, Efficacent Oil, Nescafe Creamy White, Lola Remedios, and Mang Inasal.
Miss P! Parang sa sarap ng pasalubong ni Miss Lanao del Norte. Ano mo itong mga ulang na to?
At saka mga chicharon.
Yes!
Mamaya yan sa atin.
Exciting. Marami na tayong napasyalan na probinsya mula sa Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. At malapit na rin ang the most beautiful day kasama ang 40 young queens natin at ang kanilang mga probinsya.
Pero ngayon, biyaheng Mindanao muna tayo.
Yes.
Sa Lanao del Norte. Ito na ang ating Miss Millennial Lanao del Norte 2019, Annabel May McDonald.
Be charmed with a land of beauty and bounty with Miss Lanao del Norte 2019. Annabel May McDonald. Miss Millennial Lanao del Norte 2019.
Pipita Dabarkads or maayong udto kanatong tanan. I am Annabel May Tate McDonald, representing the land of beauty and bounty, the motocross capital of the Philippines, Lanao del Norte. Well, actually, you can take a flight from Manila to Cagayan de Oro by PAL, of course.
Okay,
yeah,
of course.
It's a 1 hour and 30-minute flight. On the best of times, and you can then take a bus towards Lanao del Norte. The capital is Tubod, Lanao del Norte. You can actually take the bus drive for about 2 hours.
2 hours
Yep.
din.
That's like the best route.
Kapag
That's like
by
the best
land?
route. Well, if by land, you actually have to take a detour through Mindanao and Visayas. So, basically, I recommend you to take a bus drive to Butuan. And then you'll have to take a ferry drive to Surigao to get to Samar. Then you'll take the San Juanico Bridge to get to Batangas and eventually touch light on na. So, the converse is equally true naman.
Lumipad na lang tayo?
Oo nga.
Exactly.
Ipagpapala na lang tayo, girl.
1 hour and 30 minutes versus a 3-day detour. I think that the best course is a flight.
Si Belle kasi is half British. Kaya
Yes po.
Yung father mo is British.
Yes po, my father is British.
may pagka-Inglesera si Belle.
Oo. Pero marunong naman ako mag-Tagalog, pero mas magaling talaga mag-Bisaya. Bisaya akong Bisaya.
Of course. Lanao del Norte is called the land of beauty and bounty. Bakit?
Well, obviously the beauty comes in the retrospect of the scenery that we can offer. God has definitely blessed Lanao del Norte with the best scenery, from waterfalls to caves and even rivers. And on the flip side, it's bounty because we have only the best to offer in terms of our products, which are actually world-class. We're actually always exporting our products all the time. And in a little while, you'll actually get to see and get to know our products better.
Yun. Tsaka the beauty comes from the people of Lanao del Norte din. Diba?
Exactly. We actually take pride in the coexistence and unity of our Christian Muslim brothers. And I think that in the world that's plagued with xenophobia, I think that we can learn a very great lesson from Lanao del Norte indeed. Inviting you all to witness the diadem of diversity, Lanao del Norte. Let's take a look. From motocross to adventure, cuisine, and culture, tara na sa Lanao del Norte kung saan kayo ang pinaka-importante. Napiya katipita Dabarkads na nata diri sa Mighty Cave. It's 1,000,000 years worth in the making using acid rain and limestone. Tara, ali na ta! Let's put the eat in Eat Bulaga. Of course, we'll start with pipia para na manok, beef rendang, and of course, pipia para na udang. And last but not least, we have the rice, kuning. Kaon na ta!
mali pa yung pag-abot sa Tinago Falls in Linamon, Lanao del Norte. You have to take 500 steps to get there, guys, but each step you take is absolutely worth it. When you take a dip into its pristine waters and when you witness the breathtaking nature, it's a grandiose beauty to behold. The Pagana Maranao is a traditional ceremony reserved for only our most esteemed guests. Kung adrenaline rush ang hanap nyo, tara na sa motocross capital of the Philippines. We're here at Cathedral Falls of Kapatagan, Lanao del Norte, and if you just take a look at the rock formations, you'll actually notice that the rock formations kind of look like a piano's heights in a cathedral. I am Annabelle May Tate McDonald, your Miss Millennial Lanao del Norte 2019. Tara na sa aking probinsya kung saan mag-iwan ito ng ngiti sa iyong labi at kayo'y magiging happy. Ali na sa Lanao del Norte, the land of beauty and bounty.
Exactly, why thank you. Yes, indeed, it's both Maranao and Christian culture. We can actually trace the history from the 19th century when the Americans first colonized us. So I can actually trace my roots back to that century as well because my great-grandmother is, I'm proud to say, a proud Muslim Maranao woman from Baloi. And Baloi is fittingly called the gateway of Maranao culture as well.
Puntahan naman natin ang mga pasalubong.
Ang mga pasalubong, ito na, kanina pa nga ako. Takam na takam
It's
dito.
also just like, when you actually take a look at our pasalubong, it's actually like taking a tour to Lanao del Norte as well because every municipality, and we have 22 municipalities, every municipality has its own product, and the product, and our festivals are actually fashioned from the products themselves. So
Kaya pala iba-iba sila talaga.
Iba-iba. Exactly.
Let's start with the sardines. You told us na highlight talaga yan. Bakit?
Sure, yeah. It's on the other side. What's
Go
different about our sardines is actually that on the day that the fish are caught, we then actually send them directly to the processing center. So it's super duper fresh and it's organic as well.
How about this one? Itong palapa.
Oh yes,
Palapa.
that's an iconic Maranao delicacy. Or rather, a condiment rather. It's the Filipino version of wasabi. So, sa mga mahilig ng mga maaanghang na pagkain, this is definitely one of the things that you should have on the Filipino palate of the day.
Palapa.
Yes.
Kukuha ako niyan.
And of course, your local fabrics are also
Yes,
one
I'm
of a
proud to say
kind.
that I'm actually wearing landap.
Landap?
Yes, this is called landap. It's one of the many Maranao, traditional Maranao fabrics. Thank you, Mr. Jermaine Abong, for this top. This is also another version of landap. However, we also have, it looks good on you. We also actually have an ornament of langkit, and I actually wore a langkit ensemble Maria Clara at Miss Millennial's opening dinner. I always make it a point to wear our products.
Tip of the iceberg pa nga lang talaga, sabi ni
Exactly.
Belle.
And we
ang
also
naipakita
actually
niya.
have-
Oo. But for those of you who are interested, you can visit Eat Bulaga's Facebook page para makita ang budget tour tips ni Belle para sa inyo.
Yes, and more of our products like the Lambakanay products of Kapatagan and actually wearing Lambakanay earrings as well.
Yun.
Yeah, they're world-class products from tables to baskets and whatnot.
Yan.
Everything
Thank you,
is-
Belle.
Lahat yan nasa Facebook page at thank you sa ating mga kababayan ni Miss Millennial Lanao del Norte para sa mga pasalubong lalo na sa tourism at local government nila.
I-follow lang si Miss Millennial Lanao del Norte sa kanyang social media accounts to know more about her province. Belle, may regalo ka mula sa mga kasama namin naghahatid ng Miss Millennial Philippines. Katulad na lang ng Potency, the beauty of immunity.
Miss Millennial Philippines 2019 grand winner will receive 500,000 pesos. She will move into her house and lot from Lysandra. Angat ka dito. And drive home a brand new Suzuki Ciaz GLX. She will also wear the crown, which stands for the strong, independent young Filipina who has a heart for her hometown. It's a crown pit for the next Miss Millennial Philippines.